In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Blender in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Blender download. We'll be having the official link. Click it. And here we are having the download Blender option. This is also available for other operating system. And if you want previous versions, you can click this. I will just go with the latest one. The download will be getting started. It is around 354 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the Blender setup. Click on next. This is going to be the default location where Blender is going to get installed. See program files. If you want to change it to a different drive, simply click on change and select the drive you want to install and create a new folder. Once it is done, click on next. Click on install. Once it is done, click on finish and just search for Blender. We will be having this. Click on open and you will be getting the Blender interface like this. Here you can select the language and the theme and the key map. You'll be getting this initially as a quick setup. So just select the required configuration over here and click on continue. And here we are having so many options. One is the general new file, 2D animation, sculpting, storyboarding, VFX, video editing. We have so many use cases. I will just go with the general one and we'll be having the famous 3D cube. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.